No. Are you? Music to this. Yeah, it looks like a Backstreet Boy. Look at my hair, dude. It's like... Okay. Bye. She was talking about your brother. She's like, stalking my brother, dude? No, she's like, he doesn't look anything like Marcy or Sky or anyone in the family. She's like, don't take this the wrong way. He's good looking, just in a different kind of way. I was like, he looks like a Backstreet Boy. She goes, yes! So my eyes look blue. She should date my brother. No, they would not work out. No, your brother wouldn't like her. That was weird. Oh, my necklace bothers me. So, what are you going to talk about? We can talk about my hair. And we look like sisters, apparently. Apparently, not really seeing it. People say that? People are told. But I don't see it. So, I know what I'm going to say in this video. What? I don't really like guys. Like I do, but I don't. Are you lesbian? I'm not lesbian or bisexual. I'm straight. Okay. But, I don't like how they're confusing. There's a but. I don't like how they're confusing. They don't make sense. I don't make sense. The gay baby was born. So I'm so out of it right now. It's your mom's birthday. Yes, it is my mom's birthday. Happy birthday, Mom. Congratulate her to that. So, today was gay. That's cool. She's turning 20. She's 49. You don't need to be mean and say that. Do you see that? It's a cold sore. And Cassie has one too. I have 3. Well, actually, they look like cuts on my lips. I only have 1 now because the other one went away. But we were out in the sun and got fever sores. And that's how it happened. And it's gay. And I don't know. Someone's getting back at me. Come on. What are you doing? Dude, you might want to get that. You know what I was thinking, Sean? Today we were talking about on my lunch, right? Living in the 60s and 70s. Now, if I could go back in time, I would go there and I would go to Woodstock. I think that would be like pretty awesome. Basically, yes. So this is a cellular device. Mine's big, that you should text me. Okay. Gay. So it is 4:30. It is 4 exactly 30. Get it right. So it's Friday. What's the day today? 26th. 26th of February. Yeah. The 26th day of February. Via text message. If you want my number. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, dude, that was weird. I don't know, I'm lost. What an idiot, just stop texting me. Okay, so, there's some facts in our school. And there's some people that are really confusing, and then there's whores. Freaking gay. Yes, there are lots of those. And I don't know why. My eyes look really blue. Or is that just me? She like goes close to the screen. Nope, no, they're not blue. And my sister has the best computer ever. Yeah. She's got an Apple. And I don't have an Apple. No. And so if you see any other video that's not Apple, that's why. And has the features of a Dell, then you know it's my computer. Cheap and gay. They should have bought me a nice expensive one, but they didn't because they don't have any money. This guy got one. Yeah, this guy's went to college. There's a difference between school and college. No. It's the same. This piece of hair is bothering me. So I'm thinking we're going to turn this into Chickmonk voices. That'd be so much fun. Okay, I'm looking inside the screen. I'm looking inside the screen. Have you tried to touch your nose? Oh, it's not working. Oh, my tongue hurts now. Try to lick your elbow. Okay, that's humanly impossible, dude. No, it's not. Matthew, no, like I can do it. Whoever that is. He's good job to you, dude. Because I will never be able to do that. But if you can do that, you should make a video of it. Hey, Nick, see this? Right here? Just in case you ever watch the video. Well, give it a second. Where's the words? Where's the words? Okay, wait. You see the words? You see stop? Send to. There. Ready? I got 6 shots yesterday. Nick. Yes, it says She-Wolf, Miss Tammy, and Nick. She-Wolf is this girl. Right here. This is She-Wolf. Nick is Nick. And Miss Tammy is her mother. Who's Hold on. Wait. You might want to hear a song. Yes. See, we all have nicknames for each other. She is Wild Mustang. Her sister is. And Marcy is. Wait, say it again. Wait. Marcy is. Wait. Marcy is. She-Wolf. Oh my gosh. Do my edit. Woo!